the moment I slipped into my pink flip-flop sandals. It felt like something small but specialer, quiet ritual of self-care and beauty. The soft, flexible straps gently embraced my feet, fitting like they were made just for me. The color was perfect, a playful, feminine pink that popped with just the right amount of boldness. But what caught my eye most was the contrast to my toes, freshly pedicured and painted in the deepest, glossiest black, peeking out confidently from beneath the soft pink. There's something powerful about a black pedicure. It's not just a color, it's a statement. Sleek, polished, a little edgy, against the light, sugary tone of the sandals. The black polish made my feet look elegant and confident, like they had their own personality. I curled my toes ever so slightly, admiring how the glossy surface reflected the light, turning my simple flip-flops into a true style moment. I took a step toward